Hey guys, let's do another analysis in another zip code, 20155. Right, let's take a look at the Gainesville area. Wow, okay, 112 days on market. Overall, the property looks like it's in decent condition just from the photos, although photos can be deceiving, so be careful out there.
Can smell a catfish a mile away.
Okay, gonna pull up Zillow for a quick and dirty how much it's gonna cost to own it, and oh my lord, looking at almost 4,500 bucks a month.
Wait, hold on.
And that's not including any of the additional things like CapEx, managing it, general repairs, vacancy. How much do I think it'll rent for? Zillow, sometimes they have ideas. $3,360 a month. Okay, let me look up my own comps. 4 bedrooms for $3,200, 5 bedrooms that for $3,800. Not what we want to see. So is this going to cash flow if you were to buy it as an investment property? No way, Jose, not happening.
No way, Jose.
But could it appreciate over time? First of all, we see it has been appreciating like crazy. It looks like about 85% of the homes in this zip code are held by homeowners. It makes more sense to own this than it does to use it as an investment. So there you have it. Remember to like, comment, and follow us for more because I would love to do more of these. Talk to you later. Bye.